Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi is playing at school. Blocks are everywhere. Dolls are on the floor. Cars zoom, zoom, zoom. Mimi giggles and runs to play with paint. Oh, what a big mess she left behind. Mrs. Lily, the teacher, sees the toys. Mimi, she says kindly, look at all these toys. They need to go home to their baskets now. Minnie looks at the mess. It's a very big mess. Her smile gets a little small. It's nice to put our toys away so they don't get lost, and so our friends can play too, Mrs. Lily explains softly. Mimi feels a little bit shy. She doesn't know where to start. Mrs. Lily takes her hand and says, let's put the blocks in the block bin together. Mimi picks up a red block. Plink. She puts it in the bin. Then a blue one. Plink. She starts to feel a little bit better. Mrs. Lily helps her put the dolls in their bed and the cars in the garage. Soon the floor is clear. Mimi smiles a big smile. We did it, she cheers. The next day, after playing, Mimi remembers. She picks up her crayons and puts them in the box. Then she helps her friend Leo put the puzzle pieces away. Mrs. Lily gives Mimi a big high five. Mimi feels so happy and proud.